Hi, this is John from UProve, and I'm here to show you the basics of proactive health management using the Health Explorer. Proactive health management means you put some effort into recording your actions in order to help you discover your body's short-term and long-term cause and effect relationships. In this video, I'll show you how to create actions using the web user interface, mobile user interface, and Alexa skill. In addition, I'll show you some of my own data and what I was able to learn that was pretty surprising to me. First, I'll point my web browser to he.uprove.me. Next, I'll select the login button and provide my authentication credentials. After logging in, the user interface will take you to the Health Indicators page. In order to work with actions, you need to be on the Explore by Date page, so I'll click on the Explore by Date icon in the tool ribbon. To create an action, select the plus icon in the tool ribbon. Next, select the type of action you want to create. Your options include food, drink, drug, exercise, and note. I'll select the drink icon. Next, provide the details that are appropriate for the action. Finally, select the OK button. Notice that a new purple dot is visible in the time series data. The new dot is located in the drink section of the y-axis. If you right mouse click on the action, a pop-up menu will appear that allows you to view, edit, or delete the action. Next, I'll show you how to do the same thing in the mobile user interface. I'll use my web browser to switch to the responsive design mode, which changes the size of the viewing area to match the screen size of a mobile device. Just like in the web user interface, select the plus icon in the tool ribbon to create a new action. Next, select the type of action you want to create. I'll select the exercise icon, fill in the details, and select the OK button. If you click on the action, a pop-up menu will appear that allows you to view, edit, or delete the action. Next, I'll show you how to use your Alexa-enabled device to create a food event. Echo, tell Health Explorer I ate 1 serving of vegetarian omelet.
Okay, do you want me to record that you ate 1 serving of your recipe named vegetarian omelet on September 23rd, 2021 at 9:42 a.m.?
Yes.
Okay, I have recorded your action.
After refreshing the user interface, you can see that our Alexa skill created a new food action. If I view the food action, the food dialog will display the macronutrient information for the food item. This is because I have created a recipe named vegetarian omelet, and the Alexa skill knows how to enrich the food action with the macronutrient information from that recipe. Once you've learned how to create actions, you can use actions to help you understand your body's cause and effect relationships. I'll show you an example using my own data. For many years, I've known that I become fairly hypoglycemic after long exercise sessions. My blood glucose levels drop really low, and my sense of coordination drops off pretty dramatically. In order to understand just how low my blood glucose levels were dropping, I asked my doctor to write a prescription for a Dexcom continuous glucose monitor. I wore it for several months to learn how my diet and exercise patterns were affecting my blood glucose levels and learned some surprising details. I really like Thai and Indian food, but I had no idea how some of my favorite dishes were affecting my blood glucose levels. So I performed a simple experiment. I ate 2 of my favorite dishes and compared the results. Let's go look at those results. First, I'll switch back to the web user interface by exiting the responsive design mode. Next, I'll type the word SOG into the search tool, then hit enter on my keyboard. Next, I'll click on the first item in the Search Results dialog. Since I don't care about my heart rate, blood oxygen saturation, or stress data for this analysis, I'll hide that data. The second purple dot in the food row indicates that I ate saag paneer and white rice. I'll zoom in along the x-axis to make it easier to see that data. You can see how my blood glucose levels jumped up to about 130 milligrams per deciliter. Now, if we look at the meal near 6 p.m., we can see that it's spicy eggplant and white rice. After that meal, my blood glucose levels jumped up to about 175 milligrams per deciliter, which is quite a bit more. What I learned from this one simple experiment is that some foods cause my blood glucose levels to climb faster and higher than others do. If I were to consistently eat foods like that, it would put a lot of stress on my endocrine system and eventually cause me to gain weight and possibly start becoming insulin resistant. Now that I know how my body responds to various kinds of foods, I've changed my diet to treat certain foods as though they were treats, and I don't eat them very often. You can do the same thing with your diet and proactively promote your own good health by making smart, data-driven decisions. Thanks for watching.